What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, the Hussle family, and turn motivation into millions. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. All right, the first two is my official IGs, King Hussle X1M and the real King Hussle X1M. So all you gotta do is follow them two links down there to get directed to my real IGs and any other of my social media platforms. And before y'all send your money, please get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing legit business and you're getting what you paid for, right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to do anything, so let's get this thing started. So today, I'm finna hit y'all with some quick sauce, some real good sauce. How you can get $10,000 very, 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 very fast, all right? And you can have bad credit. Yeah, you can have at least a 500 credit score, or it's really 480, but they really looking for a 500 credit score at least. So, it's a lot of people who's been tapping into my videos. And if you didn't watch my last video that I dropped, I showed y'all that yes, it's true. It only after 7 years, any collection account on your credit profile or credit report is classified as expired. I've seen a lot of people in the comments saying, "Oh, that's capped. That's not true. That's not true." But then I got to start realizing what people are ignorant to, they're gonna disagree with. It's a lot of people who don't know a lot about credit. So when I say certain things, they're going to disagree. It's a lot of people who don't know about certain things that they're going to disagree. It's a lot of people who just hate for no reason too. So like I showed y'all in the last video, on Experian website, you can Google it and search it yourself like anything else in the world. It clearly shows you guys any collection account that's 7 years or older is classified as expired. Now, everybody want to get these loans. Everybody want to get these credit cards and these lines of credit. Everybody want to get this money. And the number one money game in the world is what? Credit. That's how you're going to get this money. That's how you're going to be successful. That's how you become a multi-millionaire. Not just a millionaire, a multi-millionaire. Because $1 million is only $10,000 100 times. That's not a lot of money. You need multi-millions to really succeed and to be successful. Well, you got to work hard. You got to put yourself in a position. And you got to make something happen. All right? So what I'm telling you guys in the beginning of all my videos, how to clean your credit, how to build your credit so you can leverage it towards your PG, your personal guarantor, towards your business credit. I need you guys to really listen to me. I need you guys to really pay attention because this is what's going to get you in the ball game. This is what's going to get you them loans, them checks, them credit cards, the cash advances and all that like that. So it's a lot of people who apply for these loans who don't get approved because they don't listen to my videos. They skim through everything that I say in the beginning of the videos and then they get mad when they don't get approved. So pay attention because everything that I'm telling you is vital information that I promise you will help you succeed. People are like, "Oh, you always in the same room." This is my office. This is my studio. Do you have an office? Do you have a studio? You guys got to understand. Everybody don't got to show everything. People really out here handling business. And then when y'all finally see it, then you're like, "Oh, yeah." So, first thing you need to do when it comes to cleaning your credit so you can guys start getting approved for all these loans and lines of credit, you got to clean your credit. You got to get your credit profile. So I want everybody to go to Experian.com. I want y'all to go pay $25 a month, $24.99 a month so you can be able to see all three of your FICOs, see the debt on your credit, see the collections, see the increase, see everything on your credit, freeze it, lock it, everything that you need to do, right? So, boom. Once you do that, once you do that, all right, now you can see everything that's going on. So now you're going to see the debt that's on your credit. You're going to see all the collections. Like I've been telling you, any collection that's 7 years or older is classified as expired. So those are going to be the first collections that you see dropping off your credit. All right, so You're going to freeze your credit bureaus. You're going to freeze your credit reports on Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. You're going to freeze all three of them. Then you're going to go back and you're going to start disputing your accounts, all those collection accounts. It takes up to 15 days. So anybody that has debt, a whole lot of debt, bad debt that you haven't been paying on, you want to get that debt out the way. So you're going to start disputing all those accounts at 7 years or older. Then you're going to start working your way down. All right, getting it. You might got to pay a couple of them off. You might got to, you know what I'm saying? So boom. Once you clean it up as good as possible, and for those who don't need to clean up their debt, they just need to build their credit, this is what you're going to do. You're going to go to Trade Line Supply, because you're supposed to have 5 credit cards on your credit report. So you're going to, even if you can't afford 5, you can get 1 or 2. That's going to be your credit cards. Then you're going to go to Trade Line Supply. You're going to get the installment loan. So you're going to get up to $42,500. But you might not want to pay all of that, depending on your expenses, depending on your finances. So you might get 1, you might get 2, but you're in there. You're on the right track. So if I was you, I'd get anything for $5,000 or better. Boom. Now you got those trade lines and you got those AU accounts on your credit. You gotta let it age. Like, let it do its work. Let it sit on there. Let it age. Because a lot of people be moving too fast. A lot of people move too fast and don't know what they doing, or move too fast and be too thirsty and they mess it up. Y'all gotta be cool. Slow and steady always wins the race. So boom. Once that age. Now, Rapid Finance is a business lending. It's a business finance company that will lend for businesses, right? And all they ask is for you to have a 500 or 480 or better personal credit score, 3 months of history of bank documents, and a business banking checking and savings account, and you're good. But you got to know how to finesse it. And like I said, y'all got to know how to finesse it. You got to know how to build that paper trail, because these people certain lenders look for different things, but it's always the main 3 things: your payment history, your debt, and the score is always the last one. So without further ado, let's check out Rapid Finance and see where you can go to start getting you 5,000, 10,000, or even more, but it'll be easier to get 10,000 and have a 480 or better credit score. Let's check them out. All right, so today we're going to be talking about Rapid Finance, a fast approach to business finance and businesses. Business funding made fast and simple. Get a quote in business. All right, so quick funding within hours of approval, $3 billion plus funded across various industries, flexible payments, automatic payments, tailored to your business needs. All right, so A+ rating, things like that. So business funds meet your needs. Growing a business is an easy task. That's why Rapid Finance offers flexible financing solutions to help fit your business unique needs. At Rapid Finance, we specialize in fast, simple, and trusted business financing. Our financing options enable small businesses to access working capital when they need it most. We are 100% committed to the long-term growth of your business. So working capital, location expansion, technology update, equipment leasing, marketing solutions, debt consolidation. So businesses financing solutions, lines of credit, funds starting at $5,001 to $2,500, $250,000, $250,000, terms up to 18 months, approved amount, access anytime, weekly payments, small business loans up to $1 million, funded as fast as 24 hours, terms ranging from 3 to 60 months, automatic daily or weekly payments, merchant cash advance up to $500,000, funded as fast as 24 hours, fast and easy application, flexible payment based on receivables. Bridge loan amount starting from $5,000 to $1 million, terms is up to 60 months, automatic payments, fast and easy application process. SBA loans ranging from $500,000 to $5.5 million, terms up to 30 years, automatic monthly payments, partially backed by the government for business purposes. Invoice factoring, advance starting at $20,000 up to $10 million, terms ranging from 18 months, easy online application, turn pending invoices into immediate funds. Asset-based loans based on company assets, terms starting at $50,000 up to $10 million, terms ranging from 66 months to 36 months, flexible daily, weekly, or monthly payments. Line of credit. So it goes back to him. So we're going to talk about the small business loan. So the small business loans, all your business needs. Our small business loans are simple and secure. So when you get the working capital your business needs fast. All right, so small business loans financing, fast payments, fixed payments, automatically fixed daily, weekly, or monthly business loan terms. Options terms range from 3 months up to 60 months. Fast business funds can be deposited into your business bank account within hours approved. All right, so a valid form of identification, business bank account and route number, last 3 months of business bank statements. All right, so apply online, start the application, let us review, get funded, easy as that. And then it just breaks down some facts. Then small business loans with rapid finance, then it just breaks down some more facts. So yeah, go check them out. They easy funded. All you gotta do is have these little things right here. That's all you need. A valid form ID, business bank account, a business bank account number and route number. Last 3 months of your business bank accounts, bank statements, you can make those and you good. So without further ado, let's check out Rapid Financing. So let's talk about Rapid Finance. You can get $10,000 with a 480 credit score, personal credit score. All you gotta do is follow them steps that I gave y'all in the beginning of the video. You gotta get y'all credit profile together first before y'all go apply for any type of loan. I don't care if it's bad, fair, whatever type of credit. You gotta have the right paper trail. You gotta have your profile in order, right? The main thing is the payment history. They don't care. Credit scores can be generated different ways. They just want to make sure that you make enough money to pay back that loan and the previous payment history is A-okay, all right? Because if whatever you got on your credit is reflecting by your payment history, which generates you a credit score. So make sure y'all paying attention to them gems that I be dropping in the beginning of the videos, because it will very, very well help you guys in being successful at getting these bad credit loans, these business loans, lines of credit, credit cards, everything that you need to succeed, all right? More investments, more blessings. So shout out to all my real King Hussle fans, supporters, subscribers, new and old, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me keep going. Y'all motivate me keep dropping the sauce. And y'all motivate me keep y'all entertained. All right, so shout out to y'all. Anybody looking to build their credit, clean their credit, get it together, get loans, credit cards, and lines of credit, you want me to teach you how to do that, it's going to be $600. But you want me to do it for you, it's going to be $1,500, starting at $1,500. So make sure y'all tapping in with my credit repair business, New Age Credit Repair. Also, anybody out there looking to get basic lessons, that'll be $500. So whatever topic you want to talk about and get help on, let me know and I'm going to help you out with that, $500. Anybody looking to get unlimited gyms, FaceTime one-on-ones, is going to be $1,200. You can get all the information that you need. Unlimited gyms is self-explanatory. So you can get CPN sauce, credit sauce, documents, how to invest, how to make $1,000 a day, all social media, plus some more, all right? So make sure y'all tapping in and getting y'all unlimited gyms. Also, make sure y'all getting y'all mentorships. You're going to get everything with the unlimited gyms, plus you're going to get the sauce on DW, and we're going to make money together, all right? Yes, we're going to make money together. YouTube automation. $2,500, all right? 3 months. So make sure y'all tapping in on that. Also, make sure y'all booking y'all seat right now on the crypto tour, in-person limited gyms. $3,500 in-state, $4,500 out-of-state. If I got to come out-of-state to you, it's going to be $4,500. But if you come in-state to me, it's going to be $3,500. $500 deposit, the rest of the money we'll meet in person. All right, so make sure y'all tap in on that. Still looking for people for the production company. Still looking for actors, rappers, models, singers, producers, cameraman, you name it, content creators, all that. So make sure y'all tapping in. Music reviews is $200. You ready to come get your chain, your watch, start making money with this music? Tap in. Let's get it in. Any beautiful ladies out there, any models, you ready to get your brand, your platform, your face? You ready to try new things? Tap in. Let's work. Make sure you got a good attitude. Make sure you got a good head on your shoulders. I don't deal with bad attitudes. You can't be corrected. You can't be directed. I'm a man. I'm supposed to lead, so let me lead us to greatness. All right? Teamwork make the dream work. Let's make it happen. Also, still looking for cameraman out there, all right? So tap in. Anybody, Houston, Texas, got a good camera, got good editing skills, got good masking and all that, tap in with me, all right? Also, you looking to get that glitchy, come get that Cash App glitchy with the check sauce with one free fully, $250. Make sure payment is on your Cash App balance or your Bitcoin balance. Send me a screenshot. Hit me on my Telegram. And let's work, all right, before the deal go away. But I might be doing a new deal soon this week, so make sure y'all tapping in. $250 Cash App glitchy with the check sauce, one free fully. Hit me on my Telegram. Link is in my community post. All you gotta do is hit me there. Send me a screenshot of your Cash App balance or Bitcoin balance or the payment be in there, and let's get to work, all right? And y'all know how I get down to the end of these videos. I'll see y'all at the next. Peace.